How to accept a bundle offer on Mercari. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can accept a bundle offer on Mercari. So I want you to pay rapt attention as we dive into it. The first step is to log in into your account, and then once you're logged into your Mercari account, you see different products on Mercari that you can buy. And once you can see all of this, the next step is for you to move to the top right corner of the screen where you can see your profile icon. Okay, once you're signed in, you will no longer see sign up or login. You'll see your profile icon. Once you can see that, click on it. Once you click on your profile icon, a drop down menu will appear. In this drop down menu that appears, you will see the option messages or inbox. Okay, messages or inbox. Once you can see that, click on it. Then once you're taken to your messages, you would see the bundle offer notification from the buyer. Click on it, open the message, and then review the bundle offer details, including the offer price and the items included. Once you see it and you're okay with it and you want to agree to the offer, just click on the accept button to confirm. And then just like that, you've accepted the bundle offer on Mercari. It's that simple. So how do you accept? Just head over to your inbox, search for the bundle offer notification from the buyer, open the message, check the offer price and the items included, click accept, and then you'll be able to accept the offer immediately. And then you can proceed with shipping the items together in a single package using a Mercari prepaid label. So that is it. Thank you for watching and ensure you accept that offer now.